Alright, here we are. We're on our iDatalink Maestro flashing website. We've got all our products just over here. We've got everything in easy to view reach so that we can see all the serial numbers. It's going to be important to make sure that you've got a VF APX kit and a VF RR2 module, not a traditional RR2 module. The VFs are slightly different. We're going to go in here and select Australia. We're going to go into Flash My Module. Alright, we've entered our login details and our password. We now hit login. We've got our module plugged in there. Alright, here we are. It's detected our device. We've got it plugged in. It's convenient, these openings here in the box. Now we're going to go flash by vehicle. We're going to select the year. It's a 2016, we're selecting Holden. Now we're selecting Commodore VF with factory navigation. And we've got it memorised, that matches our steering wheel, so we're okay. Now here's where it can get confusing. We're not using the traditional Maestro harnesses, we're using the Apex kit. So make sure you select the Apex or the APX S8 VF1. If you don't select this, you won't be able to get the buttons in front of the screen to work. Now it's asking us for the Apex serial number. The Apex serial number can be found on the white box or on the Apex kit black box. This particular one starts with the B, so off we go. We're going to verify that. It's been verified. We're going to continue. We're selecting a Kenwood. We're using the DAX 8000. Now we need to enter the serial number. The Kenwood packaging is quite easy to understand. It has S/NO, that means serial number, so we're entering the digits that follow that. We're selecting our firmware. Now accessories, we've got our accessories here. So we're going to be using a nav4, a Ken1 and a vid1. So we're selecting nav4, video 1, continue. We're going to leave our system configured in the default mode because we want everything to work. Now here's where we get to select the buttons. Right now we're on the steering wheel and I'm quite happy with what's default. We're going to have volume up, volume down, mute, track up, track down, source, Siri button and an answer and hang up. That's fine with me. Now we get to the stage where accessory button. These are the buttons in front of the screen there. So here's where we get to decide what they do. It's infinitely adjustable, so pick it how you would like. This is just my recommendation. The repeat button, we might make that the next widget. Radio tune button, we can scroll through. We might make that a screen off button. I'm going to scroll down. We're going to make our navigation button. Makes sense for me to display CarPlay. So display CarPlay, Android Auto. The back button, you've got all these selections here. Feel free to choose anything you would like. We might make that a screen off. We're going to make the seek down button. That's a pretty easy one. So seek down will become seek down. So the seek up button, it makes sense to make that the seek up function. Phone button or mute button, we're going to make that mute. Power button, which turns it on and off. We're going to make that the screen off button. The home button, we're going to display the home screen. Go back up here and a destination button, I think I might make that display our gauges. Just making sure everything has got a function. Favourite hasn't, so we might make that a display button. We might make that display the climate screen. Just scrolling through to make sure everything has an allocation. Continue. We're about to flash the Maestro, so we just need to review, make sure we've got our RR module, the steering wheel matches our vehicle, the car matches our vehicle, the head unit matches our vehicle and the serial numbers check out. The Apex kit matches our Apex kit and the serial numbers match, our accessories match. Right now we've got an allocation of everything that we've decided there in the buttons, and I'm going to flash the module. So the flash is in progress. So we're transferring that information we've just allocated onto the module itself. So here's where we can go ahead and we can print or download our install guide. So we've got the install guide there, so we can download it, we can print or we can send it. So right now we're just going to send it. So you see the flash was completed, we've sent that off, we're ready to go. So we know it's a success because we're in here and I've got it loaded up but I also have had it sent to my email, and here I am now. I've got the instructions for the particular vehicle to make all the connections, where things go, etc, etc. Right here, handy on my phone. It's easy to take down to the warehouse, or you can download it, save it to your desktop, or even print it off. All right, let's go and work on this car.